All right, let's look at this simple integration by parts trick. All right, I used to have trouble remembering the integration by parts formula, so I decided to come up with a little trick so that I don't have to remember it, but still we can carry out the integration by parts. All right, so here's how it goes. All right, let's look at an example here. Integral of x times natural log of x with respect to x. Right? So first we need to do is we have to decide on the first guy and the second guy. Right? So the first guy is always something that you know how to take the derivative of. The second guy has to be something that you know how to find the antiderivative of. So in this case, since we don't know how to take the antiderivative of natural log of x, in fact, we're going to actually use the integration of parts to find it. So I'm going to have to choose natural log of x to be the first guy and the x to be the second guy. So in the first box, we're going to put the natural log of x. Right? So I'm going to put that in. And for the second box, we're going to put the x. Right? Alright, as I said, the first one, we're going to take the derivative. So if you take the derivative of natural log of x, you get 1 over x. So you put it right down here. So 1 over x here. And you take the antiderivative of the second guy, you're going to end up with x squared over 2. Right? So decide on the first guy and decide on the second guy. Take the derivative of the first guy and take the antiderivative of the second guy. Right, then the first term in the integration by parts would be the multiplication diagonally. So you multiply natural log of x and x squared over 2. You're going to get x squared over 2 times natural log of x. And that goes inside. Right, minus integral of, so integrand is that you multiply horizontally. So you multiply those guys, so you can see that the x cancel out, so it's going to be simply x over 2. We put that in there. All right, so that's the integration by parts. Then we can just finish it up. All right, so first term, we're done with the antiderivative, so copy that. And the minus antiderivative x over 2 is x squared over 4, with the negative sign, of course, plus some constant c since indefinite integral. All right, that's it. I hope that this was helpful.